We now on to the Qimpro Platinum Standards. To qualify, the individual should be a national statesman for excellence in quality. The first award to be presented today is for healthcare. The category was first introduced in 2004. The winner of the Qimpro Platinum Standard for Healthcare 2015 is Dr. Bhim Sen Singhal.
Dr. Bhim Sen Singhal, Director, Department of Neurology, Bombay Hospital Institute of Medical Sciences. He is a distinguished healer, teacher, and researcher. 50 years back, Dr. Singhal catalyzed the development of the departments of neurology at Grand Medical and Sir J.J. Group of Hospitals, as well as the Bombay Hospital Institute of Medical Sciences. He subsequently served as Professor of Neurology and Consultant Neurologist at each of them. These two institutions in Mumbai have been primary hatcheries for training neurologists in India. They in turn serve the nation. Dr. Singhal, the institutional builder. Besides care of the patients and teaching, Dr. Singhal has contributed to clinical research. He has over 200 publications to his credit. He's an authority on multiple sclerosis, and now I better watch these pronunciations, megalocephalic leukodystrophy, myelopathy associated with Eales disease, and myasthenia gravis. Dr. Singhal, whose wisdom is knowledge for many, many, many. Dr. Singhal is passionate about quality care for persons with neurological illnesses. In 1998, he established the Neurology Foundation. His mission, knowledge and care. In terms of knowledge, the foundation organizes neurology updates, edu events every other year. The focus is international updates on a mega scale. These updates have received endorsements from the World Federation of Neurology. Dr. Singhal, making India proud. The Neurology Foundation also reaches out to needy patients. Common neurological diseases like Alzheimer's, stroke, multiple sclerosis, brain tumors, Parkinson's, cerebral palsy, and epilepsy. The related projects of the foundation include SAE, Individual Patient Aid, Upchar, the Remedial Program, Anchal, Community Outreach Program, and Parvarish, supporting societies. Dr. Singhal, the missionary. In 2001, Dr. Singhal registered the Parkinson's Disease and Movement Disorder Society for care of persons with this chronic problem. It has 29 support chapters in India and in neighboring countries. Dr. Singhal, the leader, the visionary. Let's salute Dr. Bhim Sen Singhal, our Qimpro Platinum Standard 2015 for healthcare. Dr. Singhal.
May I request Mr. N.H. Israni and Dr. Shakuntala Lulla to present the award to Dr. Singhal.
Thank you, Mr. Pereira. Honorable trustees and patrons of Qimpro Foundation, distinguished dignitaries and friends, I'm indeed truly honored by this award, and I accept with all humility on behalf of all who have contributed to whatever I have achieved. I've been a practicing neurologist, caring for patients who are less affording at the JJ Hospital, and members of all sections of the society at Bombay Hospital. I've had the pleasure to train aspiring neurologists who, in their own right, have become eminent neurologists and serving the community in India and abroad. This has given me immense pleasure indeed. In my own way, I've also tried to contribute to the growth of neurology in India and abroad by taking part in national and international seminars. Having seen the suffering of patients with neurological illnesses, mind you, they're indeed very painful to see them suffer. Really, with the help of my colleagues, as Mr. Pereira mentioned, we established the Neurology Foundation in 1998. And as he has rightly said, our vision was basically to provide help to the individual patients by giving by the Sahai. We also tried to do the rehabilitation services through Upchar. We also try and educate the people through the neurology updates, not only the neurologists but the physicians as well, by inviting the people from overseas. And we decided that we should also reach out to the communities in the less privileged areas like Dharavi, BDD Chaul, through Anchal. We also go out to the western Gujarat tribal area and also to Wasind near Nasik. And of course, lastly, to support all the societies which are caring for persons with neurological illnesses like the Multiple Sclerosis Society, Sanman Group of the Epilepsy Association of India, and also, of course, the Alzheimer's Disease Society. And in these endeavors, of course, I've had the help and support and guidance of my trustees, and I'd like to name them. Mr. J.M. Kampani of the Financial Services, you have Mr. Nanik Rupani of the Priyadarshini Academy, Dr. Manisha Girotra of the Moelis Bank now, and my own colleagues, Dr. Viraj Sanghi, pediatric neurologist, Dr. Jimmy Lal Kaka, who is the neurologist at Bombay and several other hospitals, and Dr. Khushnuma Mansukhani, who is a leading electrophysiologist in India. And in fact, I'm extremely grateful to them for all whatever they have been achieving. In the Parkinson's Disease Society, the heart and soul is Dr. Maria Barreto. It is she who, with her team, has created now not 29 but 30 chapters, 15 in Mumbai and 15 in the other places like Goa, Nasik, Pune, Western Gujarat, covering Ahmedabad, Baroda, Surat, and all these places are doing extremely well, and these services are making a great impact on the lives of the patients with Parkinson's disease, which, as you know, is a chronic disabling disease with no cure, but much can be done. And in fact, she has made an immense impact on the lives of these patients. I've indeed been extremely lucky in life. Life has been very kind to me. I've had the support of my parents, my wife Asha, my sibs, my children, and of course my colleagues at work. I cannot forget my teachers and mentors like Dr. Professor Naushir Wadia, who really brought me into neurology. And I must say that I have to also pay respects to the secretary, Ms. Katie Wania, who has been with me for 45 years. And all these people have indeed been of great help and have been very kind to me. And therefore, I say that life has been very kind to me. And thank you very much for this award.
Thank you, Dr. Singhal.